How can pop-up drink stands prepare financially for unexpected equipment upgrades? The best way is to set aside a dedicated equipment reserve fund every single week, putting back a small percentage of sales specifically for repairs and upgrades before that money ever touches your regular budget. Think of your blender or your cold press machine like a car. You wouldn't wait until your car breaks down on the highway to start saving for repairs, right? You'd want a little cushion set aside just in case. It's the same thing with your drink stand equipment. Most people don't realize that a lot of successful pop-up vendors actually keep two separate savings buckets instead of just one big pile of cash. One bucket is for small stuff, like a blender part or a hose that wears out. The other bucket is for big stuff, like an entire ice machine or a generator. Splitting it this way helps you actually see how much you're saving for each type of problem instead of guessing. A good starting point is putting aside around 5% of your weekly revenue into these buckets and adjusting that number up if your equipment is older or gets used really heavily. One thing to really watch out for is relying only on one supplier for parts. Because if that supplier runs out of stock or raises prices suddenly, you could get stuck paying way more than expected. A simple fix is building a relationship with at least two suppliers so you always have a backup option. Another big one is ignoring small warning signs like weird noises or slow performance, because those tiny issues almost always turn into expensive full replacements down the road. Catching problems early with quick weekly equipment checks can save you hundreds of dollars later. Lastly, a lot of vendors forget to factor in busy seasons like summer festivals or holiday markets when equipment gets used way more often and breaks down faster, so increasing your savings rate during those months is a smart move. If you enjoyed this video, check out our online directories in the description below.